Hey guys, so this is our family room or bonus room, whatever you want to call it, upstairs. It is huge and it kind of doubles as the girls' playroom, but I hardly ever show you guys up here, so I'm going to show you a little tour. It's still a work in progress, so there's still some things I'm not happy with, but it's coming along, so I figured I would just go ahead and show you how it is now. So I'm just going to walk through and kind of show you everything and tell you where I got it. Okay, so over here in this corner, this is just a closet where I keep our games and our filing cabinet, and gift bags are in there. That's all of our games. I would love to have shelving in here. For whatever reason, they made it like an actual closet, and I wish they would have made it like a storage closet, but for now, that's how it is. And then I just have this plant thingy here from Kirkland's a long time ago. And then that sign is from Hobby Lobby. It says, "Enjoy the little things in life, for someday you will realize they were the big things." And the paint color in here is perfect Greige, just like the paint color downstairs. And then I got the wooden, whatever you want to call it, from Hobby Lobby, as well as I think those are from Hobby Lobby. They might be Kirkland's, but I can't remember. It's been a long time. And then the cube shelf here is from Walmart, and then these are also from Walmart. I think that I got these on walmart.com. And yeah, we just have a really super old TV and a super old surround sound, but it works, so whatever. And then over here I have this tall lamp with, you can click on that little thing right there and it turns on, which I really like. I got it at Lowe's. And then over here I have, my sister got me that as a gift, and it's actually from Walmart. That picture is slid down though, I need to fix it. And these actually close and open, which is really cute. But yeah, she got that for me at Walmart, and I'm pretty sure they still have them. And then I got this sign from Hobby Lobby. This was probably Kirkland's. This was probably Kirkland's. This I got at a yard sale. And that's a Scentsy warmer, Hobby Lobby. And I think I got that at Kirkland's as well. And then I got this at Kirkland's, and it just has a bunch of random junk in it right now. I don't know what I'm going to end up doing. It has like my weights and my workout bands and things like that, basically, is all that's in it. My mom got me, it's made out of real cedar, and she filled it up with all kinds of stuff I would need when I got married. So it's kind of sentimental to me, and it's really old. There's nothing in it, I don't think, right now. Oh yeah, actually there is some toys, I guess. I didn't know that, but basically I just use it as like a side table. And then we got this sectional furniture connection, I want to say, and it's really comfy, but I hate it because it just shows everything, every bit of hair, every little crumb, everything. It shows everything, and so I hate it so much. I mean, it's super comfortable, but I just hate, I guess that it's dark brown, and then the microfiber material just attracts everything, I feel like. So I really don't love it that much, but I do think it's pretty and it's comfortable, if you get what I'm saying. But the throw is from TJ Maxx. The pillows are from, let's see, I think they're both from Kirkland's. That's probably Kirkland's. And then the coffee table. So this is exactly like the one I have downstairs. It's from Walmart, but when I got it, it showed up with this damage to it. So I contacted them and I said, hey, is there any way you could send me a new, just the top piece, because it looks like it's been dropped on that corner. And they sent me the entire new coffee table. So I thought it was pretty cool. So I just put that one up here. And then the rug is from Wayfair. I used to have this downstairs, but I moved it up here because I felt like it's not as thick as the one I have downstairs, and since there's already carpet up here, I just felt like it worked better up here, and I like how light it is, and it matches my curtains perfectly. I'll show you my curtains. Tucker loves to sit up here in this corner and look out the window here, so that's why I have those pulled up for him. But these are the curtains, so you can see that rug matches really well. And these are from Kirkland's as well, a really long time ago. But is that your favorite spot in the house, buddy? He just loves watching everything that's going on, don't ya? So, and then over here is just my treadmill, and that's like a weight bar that I use sometimes. Nothing special, nothing interesting. And then over here is just a desk that I got from, I think, Office Max or Office Depot. And a long time ago, I used to actually sit up here to edit. I don't anymore, but it's up here. I think I'm gonna move this into Madeline's room and let her have it as like her homework desk. But for now, it's up here with our really old computer, and the girls like to like sit there and pretend play and stuff. And then I wanted to show you, this is so cute. So I got this from Octoly, which is just like an influencer, like, I don't know, they send you stuff for free to like review or whatever. And I worked with them one time, and they sent me this little plaque that says congratulations on, I don't know if you can see it, but 10,000 subscribers. I thought it was just so special when I got that. So that's sitting up here. And then I just have some old like decor. I don't know if I'm gonna keep or not, but this is from like the Target dollar spot, and same with this, which this is actually really cute. I should probably set that out somewhere. But like I said, this is just a work in progress up here. This wrought iron piece is from Hobby Lobby. And then over here I have, so this is not ideally where I want these to be. I don't like how cluttered this corner looks. So eventually I'm going to figure something else out. I don't know if I'll end up putting like that in Kinsley's room or just move it. I'm not sure yet. But they play with these all the time. So that's a super old dollhouse. It was my sister's. And then this one I got from a yard sale. I only paid 20 bucks, so that's pretty cool. But they play with it all the time. So those are up here, and then just the little stroller for her to push her baby dolls. This is like a playpen for dogs, and we sometimes will put them in here if we just want them out of the way while we're doing something, and they can kind of be free to like walk around, but they can't get out. And then that's just an old picture frame that I don't know where I'm gonna hang yet. And then this contraption here is my husband's back machine. So he gets on it, and it has like a massager here. He got this for Christmas from me, by the way. This is like a heated massager, but you get on there and it stretches your whole body. It stretches out your back. It feels amazing. And I don't know why it's not focusing. Anyways, he loves this thing so much. He has a bad back, and this is a bunch of a relief for him, so he comes up here and uses that. And then that's just an exercise ball, but honestly I don't use it. The girls just play with it. So yeah, I want to do something with that. I just don't know yet what I'm gonna do. But over here I have this shelf, which is just like the one I have in the hallway out there, and it's from Target. It's just called a horizontal bookshelf. If you just look that up, I think they still have them, and they have them in a bunch of colors. Maddie has a white one. And I just have a bunch of old decor on here. Sometimes when I retire stuff from downstairs, it comes up here. But there's just pictures in there. And then picture of Kinsley, picture of Maddie. And then these little, those are from the Target dollar spot years and years and years ago. And then I have a picture of Kinsley when she was a baby. And then this lamp, I think the lamp base was from Hobby Lobby, and it came with like a pink shade, and I had it in Maddie's room, but I put it in here and I put a different shade on it. And then the little family thing is from Kirkland's, I think, but I think Hobby Lobby has them too. And then these used to be gold. I bought these at Kirkland's so long ago, and I got sick of the gold, so I spray painted them this pretty blue. And then the candles are from Hobby Lobby. And then a friend of mine that makes things like this made that for me a long time ago. I love it so much. And then all of this stuff up here on this wall is from either Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's, and I love it. I think it looks so cute. And some of them still do not have pictures in them, actually. But slowly but surely I am filling them up. But yeah, everything is either from Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's up there. So back here behind the couches is where all of the girls' toys are, and I have them labeled, as you can see here, like pet shops and Barbies and kitchen stuff, letters, all that sort of stuff. but that's where they keep all their toys. And again, I got those cube shelves at Walmart. I think they're like 50, 60 bucks a piece, and they're really solid. You can stack them, which is pretty cool. I did have them stacked at one point, but I liked them better like this because they're kind of hidden behind the couch. But on top here, I just have this lantern from Hobby Lobby a long time ago again. Actually, I should probably go to the other side so you guys can see better from the other side. So yeah, that's from Kirkland or Hobby Lobby. Picture of Tucker. I don't remember where I got the frame from. And then this little tray is from Kirkland's, and I just have like our remotes and stuff on it. And then this lantern was from Kirkland's, and I filled it with those balls. Probably got those at Kirkland's too. And then my little painting of Tucker that I showed you guys, we got one of Bailey too, and I showed it in one of my recent vlogs. And it looks just like him, and it's where he's like sitting on his hind legs because he always sits like this and begs. And I love it so much. So, and it matches up here perfectly. So yeah, guys, that's our family room, bonus room, whatever you want to call it. It's huge. I think it's 800 square feet, just this room alone. So it's like the size. This is actually bigger than our first apartment was, which is crazy, but it is a lot of space for the girls to run around and play. And it's just nice to have. But it's also nice, like when we have movies and stuff, we can relax. We can all fit on that couch really cozy and watch a movie on the big TV with the surround. And I don't know if I showed you, but the ceilings are super high. You can't really see. Here, let's see if we can see from this way. So the ceilings are really, really high. I don't know how high they are. I want to say, I don't know. I'm not even going to say because I don't know. So they're like pretty average here, and then they're really high here. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tour. I will bring you along if I ever figure out what I'm going to do with that stuff over there. Like I said, I think I'm going to remove that desk out of here completely, so I could probably shift those over a little. Maybe that would help. But I'll let you know. I'll show you as I go along if I get anything new or whatever. But I'm pretty happy with how it is right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys next time.